In this video, you will learn how to pronounce different vocabulary words. This is my second lecture on vocabulary practice. You can watch my previous lectures too. Commit means perform an act, usually with a negative connotation. Example: in an unprecedented front-page article in 2003, The Times reported that Mr. Blair, a young reporter on its staff, had committed journalistic fraud. Issue means some situation or event that is thought about. Example: as a result, the privacy issues surrounding mobile computing are becoming ever more complex. Approach means move towards. Example: a small French colony, Port Louis, was established on East Falkland in 1764 and handed to the Spanish 3 years later. Utter means without qualification. Example: no one can blame an honest mechanic for holding a wealthy snob in utter contempt. Conduct means direct the course of, manage or control. Example: scientists have been conducting studies of individual genes for years. Engage means consume all of one's attention or time. Example: we had nearly 200 passengers who were seated about on the sofas, reading or playing games, or engaged in conversation. Obtain means come into possession of. Example: he delayed making the unclassified report public while awaiting an Army review, but Rolling Stone magazine obtained the report and posted it Friday night. Thanks for watching. Keep watching my all videos to learn more vocabulary words.